Back, guys. So here we have a whole chicken. We're gonna do a beer can chicken. My name is RJ, and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. All right, and as always, as you know, the beer of choice here will be a Modelo. Come on now, come on, guys. Uh, Rub of choice. Today we're gonna go with this Lane Signature Rub. Very good rub. Excited, and you need the beer can holder where the chicken's gonna be on. Need that too. Wife got me this, so I'm excited for it. So let's go ahead and add some rub into this. We're just gonna. I didn't add no binder. I didn't add no anything. With the moist of the turkey, should be good. We're just gonna put it all over it, every nook and cranny. So this is my first time doing the beer can chicken. I've seen many different ways people do it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a try, and then you'll learn by your mistakes. Right, guys. You learn by your mistakes. Give it a nice heavy coat on this. So the videos that I've been looking at, everyone has their own style. Some people say when you got to take about a quarter or a half of it, of the beer can, you only need half. And so some people are like, what do you do with the other half? I don't know what to do with the other half either. I don't know. Oh, I could have kept going. Go ahead and put it in there. So a lot of them, there's a few that I see that they open it up more, but I say we're just gonna leave it like that, like the way it is. Keep it simple and see how that works. Let me know if you guys have done it before, if you guys open this up or not, more than what it is with just that lid. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Or do you guys leave the whole beer there, or take even more than half? I just found a half, so I'm good. All right, so now what we're gonna do is it goes right in there. Okay. All right, so now that I have a fresh pair of gloves on, let's go add some of the bottom inside there. Good. See a red chicken. Red chicken. All right. Looks good, right? All right. So we're gonna cook this in our Z grill today. We're gonna do it at 325 degrees. I don't know how long it'll take, so we'll see how long it takes. We'll have our trusty thermometers from ThermoPro. There'll also be a link for those two in the description. So let's go ahead and start this Z grill and get this chicken smoking. All right, guys, our Z grill is up to 325. Let's hope it fits. Oh, we good. We'll be back when it hits 170 degrees. All right, let's see where we're at. Look how that looks. It's been there for an hour and 45 minutes. This the chicken part, the breast. Got 165. 67. All right, guys, so here we have it. Oh my God, I cannot wait to try this. But before, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, we're back. So let's give it a cut and Let's see what we're working with. Just a little piece. Just to try it. Oh, it's hot. Look at that. Ooh, wee. That's some good flavor though. This signature from Lane's is really good. Great flavor. Not bad. Not bad for my first time. Let me know what you guys do. You guys do beer can chicken. What different steps do you guys do? Do you guys add butter halfway in there? Do you guys open the can of the beer all the way open? Let me know what you guys do. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. See you guys next time.